let us see our next program, which is used to swap the two numbers. So what do you mean by actually swap? So swap means actually interchanging the values. So consider there are two variables. Suppose a variable A is having value 10 and a variable B is having value 20. So then you have to swap these values. That means this value 10 will have to be stored in B and B's value will have to be stored in variable A. So that means we want to interchange the values of A and B. So for that we require a program. So how you could say swap the two values? For swapping, if you write like this, A equals to B and B equals to A. So many of you will be thinking like this, A की वैल्यू B में जानी चाहिए, B की वैल्यू A में जानी चाहिए. That means A equals to B and B equals to A. So लेकिन अगर आप ऐसे करते हो, if you are writing A is equals to B, that means value of B will be stored in A. That means value of B will be stored in A. इसका मतलब 20 वैल्यू किस में चले जाएंगे, आपके A वेरिएबल में चले जाएंगी, बट द वैल्यू ऑफ A विल बी लॉस्ट. ए की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएंगी, आपकी कंप्लीटली लॉस हो जाएंगी. सो इसके लिए इसकी वैल्यू आपको कहीं तो भी दूसरी जगह पे स्टोर करनी होगी. सो इसलिए हम इसमें तीसरा वेरिएबल लेने वाले हैं टू स्टोर द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. So for swapping the value of A's and B, you will be requiring a third temporary variable. Suppose it is C. So for that, so we will now firstly temporarily store the value of A to C. So that means this C will contain value of A. So therefore we will be writing here C is equal to A. इसका मतलब A की वैल्यू कहाँ पे चली जाएंगी, आपकी C वेरिएबल में चली जाएंगी. दैट मीन्स दिस 10 विल बी स्टोर्ड इन C. Now we will move value of B to A. So therefore for that we will be requiring a statement like A equals to B. So A equal to B से क्या होगा, B की वैल्यू A में जाएंगी. So 20 value will be stored in variable A. So now A contains value 20. अब मुझे 20 में क्या चाहिए, वैल्यू A की चाहिए, जो पहले की वैल्यू थी, दैट इज C की वैल्यू. अब जो C की वैल्यू है, सो देयरफॉर ये वैल्यू मुझे अब किस में मूव करनी होगी, B में मूव करनी होगी. सो देयरफॉर आई विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट लाइक B इज इक्वल टू C. दैट मीन्स वट एवर वैल्यू ऑफ C विल बी स्टोर्ड इन B. सो वट एवर वैल्यू ऑफ C विल बी स्टोर्ड इन B. सो इसका मतलब 10 वैल्यू कहाँ पे चले जाएंगे, आपके वेरिएबल B में चले जाएंगे. So now we have swapped the values of A and B. So this is the logic because of which the values of two variables will be swapped using the third variable. So this will be the statements for swapping only. So of course before that you have to input the values. So if you understand the logic of this program, now we will write a program now. So firstly you can have the comment. After that a statement is the hash include statement, hash include stdio.h. After that I will write main function, then opening brace, and then the declaration part. So suppose here I am declaring the variables A, B, C. And then you have to, of course you have to, if swapping the two values you will be requiring the two values. So here I am inputting the two values. So before that I will be printing the message for the input. So enter two numbers, enter two numbers. And then to input I am using scanf. So scanf %d and A. And we now just discussed about the logic of the program. So same statement that I have told you about just now, I will be writing here. So firstly you will be moving value of A to C, then B to A, and lastly C to B. So these are the statements which will be requiring for swapping the two values. And after that, to see whether the values are swapped or not, I am printing the values of A and B. So of course I will be giving the message also. So A is equal to %D and then B is equal to %D. After that A and B. So this is how we will be swapping the two values. So this is all for now. In the next lesson we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.